Hi, I'm Jim Love, CIO of IT World Canada. I'm going to give you a little sneak preview of the BlackBerry Leap. As most of you know, I've been playing around mostly with this thing, the BlackBerry Passport. Tried a little bit of the Classic, also a wonderful phone. But this month, BlackBerry on May 7th is launching the Leap. It's a new device, and I'm going to give you a little preview. The first thing you notice about the Leap is that it's sleek and it's attractive. It's light and it's slim. It's a quantum change from something like the Passport, this one. But BlackBerry's learned a few things from Apple. Everything about this phone and the packaging is elegant, and yet it still feels rugged. It's a little more of a business device, and I think that's what they're trying to do. So there are, of course, some differences from Apple. The Leap has, of course, the famous BlackBerry Hub. Now, the Hub is one of those things that can show you, help you manage all of your information in one particular spot. Now, this can manage your email, your social, your phone, your messaging, all of this in one place. For those of people who have multiple email addresses or multiple social accounts, as I do, one for work and one for personal, this is a godsend. Now, the side panel on the side, you can see in here, really makes it easier for you to insert a micro SIM, and I put 96 gig of memory into it, which takes me over 100 gig, which is probably more memory than I'm ever going to use. If you have to work locally on a plane, you can take your entire document set with you, and you can work with those documents. It comes with BlackBerry's Documents to Go, which is one of the best mobile solutions for working with Microsoft Office documents. You can edit Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You can even do a presentation on your phone if you like to. Those are some of the key things that are in there. But one of the other things that they've added and they've kept as continuous from the other versions has been the App Store. You get an amazing amount of apps with the BlackBerry as it is, all of the things you might need, Evernote, Dropbox, your browser, all of those things. But you can go and to the BlackBerry App Store and be able to get the other apps that you need. My Kindle application is important in there, and even a few games if that's what you want to do. So what's different with the form factor? Obviously, the keyboard. This was a big surprise to me. With the Leap, BlackBerry's gone back to a soft keyboard on a touch screen. Now, I know what you're thinking. I was wondering the same thing. Hasn't BlackBerry been focusing on the physical keyboard as one of its strengths? Yes. But to attract a younger business audience, this is still a business device, but BlackBerry clearly wants the younger audience who they think want an on-screen keyboard. Now, just because BlackBerry's opted for an on-screen keyboard for this model doesn't mean they've abandoned their goal of owning the keyboard space. Even for me, this was one of the biggest physical keyboards that I've ever seen. You can see the guitar fret approach to it makes the keys bigger, and even for these guitar playing hands, it makes it easy to get to the keys. But what really makes it impressive is their suggestion engine. The phone learns. It actually learns what you want to do so that you can actually start to assemble almost entire sentences purely by flicking from the suggested works on the keyboard. Now, this suggestion engine seems to understand your vocabulary fairly quickly. This one learned fairly quickly for me. The second thing it does is it also seems to understand the context. One time in this, I was putting in an address and place I was near, and it filled in the entire address for me. I'm still working on this, but I have to say, first view, it's pretty impressive. Want to hear more? Watch for my full review on May 7th. That's the launch date in North America. I'll give you a full review and a new video. See you there.